Good afternoon. We heard a lot of emotion, a lot of pain, a lot of anger today from the family of Pamela Turner. They believe a Baytown police officer executed Turner. Turner was shot during a scuffle with the officer on Monday night. The video of the altercation, it's gone viral.
Her family believes Turner was murdered, but police say she took the officer's taser. The family has hired civil rights attorney Benjamin Crump. Jessica Borg live in downtown Houston tonight and was at today's news conference for us. Jess?
Mia, a range of emotions here today. Turner's family says for years she worked hard as an administrative assistant in the healthcare industry before being diagnosed with her own mental health problems and struggling. Now, they say they're not sure what her mental state was at the time of the shooting, but that she was never dangerous.
I still can't believe my mom isn't here. I'm still waiting for her to call me every day.
The family of Pamela Turner says she suffered from mental illness, but was a loving grandmother who did not pose a threat to anyone.
My sister was a human being who had rights, and on that evening, her rights were violated.
The family is surrounded by a team of well-known civil rights attorneys in front of the Harris County Civil Courthouse in downtown Houston. They're pushing for a murder charge against the Baytown police officer who fired multiple shots. The shooting Monday night captured on cell phone video by a bystander. Turner's son says they're desperate for answers and haven't gotten them from police.
So I had to sit there and replay this video of my mother getting murdered.
Baytown police say the officer, who has not been publicly identified, was serving an arrest warrant on her for misdemeanors.
They will seek to criminalize her so they can justify this execution.
In the video, Turner tells the officer he's harassing her in the parking lot of her apartment complex.
You actually harassed me.
Turner's family says for years she struggled with paranoid schizophrenia, and they say she complained to them before about encounters with the same officer who shot her. Baytown police say they're investigating those claims, but say the officer pulled the trigger after Turner grabbed his taser and used it against him. Today, the family questioned if the officer had been tased. At one point in the video, Turner tells the officer she's pregnant. Baytown police say that wasn't true, but critics of the confrontation say that shouldn't matter.
This Baytown officer did not care that she was pleaded, that she was pregnant. He continued to shoot anyway. That was the hatred at the highest level that we've ever seen.
Now, lawyers for the family say they're doing an independent autopsy. The Texas Rangers have taken over the investigation of the shooting from the Baytown Police Department. A grand jury will ultimately decide if the officer's actions were criminal. The family says Turner's funeral will be held next Thursday here in Houston. Reverend Al Sharpton is expected to participate in the service. We are live this evening from downtown Houston. Jessica Borg, KHOU 11 News.